morning, you guys. Today is actually Sunday. Happy Sunday to all. Today is Sunday and it's a super chilly kind of day, but I'm still going to get out for a walk. I can't use the treadmill right now. It needs to be recalibrated. Plus, we've had this treadmill for a while. We've had this treadmill since 2018, the first couple of years that we moved here. And so I think it's just gotten a lot of use and it's loved and old. So this happens quite a bit. Right now I am soaking all of my earrings today since it's been a while. I like to do this once a month with all of my jewelry. I'll sit it in basically a soapy warm bath for about an hour or so. I usually do the ones that I wear the most. So I do the backs of these. These are the backs. And then I do the actual earrings. So, for example, I'll do this one. I'm not actually going to clean these. I don't wear these very often. Alright, so I basically took all of the earrings and put them in this soapy bath. I know it looks like a lot, but I just filled it up to where I could fill it with soap and put all the earrings in here. These are the ones that I don't wear very often right now, along with my K necklace. I don't wear this very often. I don't wear this a lot because the chain is actually starting to irritate my skin when I'm just wearing it in general. Oh, and don't mind the little duck. It was just a little joke and my sister, a little fun little joke. But isn't he cute? Look at the little duck, isn't he cute? Anyways, since I can't use the treadmill today, which was my actual plan, and then I was going to read, I'm just going to go on a nice long walk, and then I'm going to come home, probably take a shower, and then read my book for the rest of the day. Good morning, you guys. Today is Monday. It's the 23rd, and today is a snow day. Everything is pretty much closed because of all of the snow. I want to say it started snowing around maybe close to 8 last night and lasted through the night, and pretty much now, as of now, everything in our area throughout is closed. The snow is pretty wet and heavy. It's pretty to look at on the trees. It's very pretty to look at. But I'm going to just stay inside today. I have my therapy appointment this morning, so I'm just going to stay inside today. This is what I'm wearing. Just my red sweatsuit. You guys have seen it so many times. Something comfy and cozy with the weather outside. Just going to be a comfy, cozy day. It's about 9:30. I don't know if I said that. Anyways, I have to get my computer set up, find something to eat, and just kind of enjoy the morning before my appointment. My appointment's not until 11 o'clock, so I'm going to take this time to enjoy before my doctor appointment. Okay, you guys, so it's now 10:53. My appointment is in about 5 minutes, and I've just been chilling here, got my computer set up, got my appointment set up. I did import the footage from yesterday, so this vlog's going to be pretty good. I do apologize for the delay, but I do thank you for your guys' patience, and this vlog will be going up for tomorrow, and then we'll be getting back on track the rest of the week. Currently, I'm just waiting for Sarah to show up here. It is 10:58. Usually it's asked that you show up 5 minutes prior to your appointment starting so that you can have this set up and be ready for when the person arrives. Alright, you guys, it is 11:30 now. Appointment is over. We talked about a lot of things and got off a lot of steam. My next appointment isn't until February 6th. So about another 2-week period, just because of having so much going on. We're doing them bi-weekly now. Okay, we're outside and it sure is snowing out here. It's pretty to look at. I'll show you guys some views in a second. See that? It's all on the trees. It's all pretty on the trees here. It's now 2 o'clock, just after 2 o'clock, and I've been home for a little while. Had lunch, was hanging outside with my sister while she shoveled, gave us a nice little pathway. It does seem to be slowing down. Please ignore my cowlick. It does seem to be slowing down. We are supposed to get another inch or two overnight into tomorrow, but that's tomorrow. But we do have, I would say, maybe 5-6 inches out here. Like I said earlier, it's heavy snow, heavy and wet snow, so it looks a lot higher than it initially is. Anyways, finished lunch, imported footage. I'm going to hang out up here. I have some filing to do for my sister. Just listen to some music, do some filing, and then go along there. Alright, I'm all finished. And, I actually put these the right way this time. 9 times out of 10, when I'm putting my AirPods away, I usually put one of them in the wrong little pouch, and they end up going in wrong. So I always have to switch them around. But this time I got it right for the first time, on the first try. It's now about 2:45. The snow, it is still snowing, but it is slowing down. Like I mentioned before, we are in to get a little bit more snow overnight into tomorrow, but then it's supposed to be in the 40s for the rest of the week. That being said, that will lead to rain. I think starting tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, some rain, which is fine. I will just spend that time reading because I'm almost done with my Ugly Love book by Colleen Hoover. After I finished that book, I recently started the book from my hairstylist that she gave me to read. It's called Every Last Secret. I remember showing it in one of my recent vlogs. I am on chapter 10 of that book, and it's starting to get interesting. It took me a little bit to get into it, but I feel like if I read more, then I'll get more into the story plot of the actual book. That's pretty much what I did yesterday. I don't know if I mentioned that in any of the footage that I got yesterday. After I got back from my walk yesterday, I took a shower and relaxed and ended up reading the afternoon away. I literally have maybe 2 to 3 chapters left of Ugly Love to read, so I've got a few pages, a few good pages left to read, but I guarantee within the next couple of days I'll be done with that book. Anyways, I'm going to go on ahead and wrap up this vlog. Again, I do want to thank you all for your patience with the vlogs and just the schedule that I've had lately. I do want to mention I did post a personal channel video went up last night, so if you want any more updates, please check that out. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on future content. More vlogs will be coming. Again, thank you for your patience. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. And like always, I will see you in the next vlog.